A meteorologist from Market City. It is Friday. It is Friday, isn't it? Jeez, oh man, this week just going fast. All right, we got a lot to talk about today in the weather. I mean, the weather pattern just doesn't want to end. I've been looking out the window this morning. We've had rain up here in State College already. More rain coming today, and some of these areas that got hit hard by rain is going to have some more rain today, and then more rain next week. So what pattern comes in, but a beautiful weekend sandwiched in between. So get out there and enjoy or clean up whichever you have to do this weekend. All right, here comes the cold front. The cold front's sitting right in through here this morning, and it's going to activate with thunderstorms. There's going to be a lot of thunderstorms from the northeast all the way down into this area. And some of the thunderstorms are going to be heavy today, even severe, with some strong winds and heavy rainfall, maybe some hail today. Okay. And then once this cold front gets through, we got a nice weekend. And then all this mess out here, we'll have severe weather going on out through the high plains today. This is going to be a high plains severe weather day out there with some big thunderstorms, those tornadoes and heavy rain and hail that you usually see on the high plains. And eventually there's going to be a trough that's going to kind of dip in like this, and then we're going to set ourselves up for more rainfall here as the storm goes up into the Great Lakes next week. Yeah, that's what we need. And then after that, it looks like the tropics are going to start to get active, and some systems are coming across north of the Bahamas, coming up toward mid-August, late August. So we have to deal with tropical problems. Heat's going to be building back in. We got a lot of stuff coming up here in August. August is going to be a busy, busy, busy month, the way I see it. All right, let's see here. Ugly radar time. That's my ugly radar. I really got to fix this. I got to get a better radar. I'm going to try to do that today. All right, you see some thunderstorms already along the front here through Pennsylvania, knocking at my doorstep. I can tell by it's dark. It's dark out west of us. And showers and thunderstorms here in the high plains going on as well. Okay, this is the risk area today. We had this out the other day posted. I might back this up a little bit here, because I think things are going to get started further west today, and then coming, so it might slide that a little bit further west. Obviously, a big day out here through Kansas, Colorado. Big clusters of thunderstorms will turn into nocturnal monsters overnight. Okay, and then I think things are going to be a little more active than this tomorrow. I guess it really depends on what's left of whatever happens today, and how that affects the atmosphere tomorrow. But I think there's a bigger threat for severe weather across southern plains Saturday and Sunday, even in the Midwest on Sunday. I think there's some threats coming up, and then eventually it's all going to gel into the rainstorm, eastern part of the country. All right, here's the rapid of all refresh models. You can see the thunderstorms start way back here across central Pennsylvania up into the northeast. Then you see sort of a band of thunderstorms coming across, and they're moving pretty quickly. And so, while there's going to be some heavy rain and they're going to aggravate the flooding problems out there, they're not going to sit and pour on you, okay, which is good news. They're going to come and get out. But when they do, they're going to, pack a punch in a lot of areas today, okay. This is the rainfall. A lot of places, a quarter, half inch, some inch rainfall amounts here in these red speckled areas. You can see, I know you guys squint to see, but you get the idea. There's going to be some downpours, and so some places will get a quick inch of rain, and again, that just aggravates the flooding problems, the sogginess, everything else. I mean, I can hear the grass growing outside. It's just going. I guess I gotta go cut the grass eventually, maybe this weekend. Let's see. Let's see here. There you go. There's the. This is for tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, the front is off the coast. Should be a nice day behind us. Still some showers and thunderstorms up across the northeast tomorrow. Some thunderstorms out here, as we talked about. And hot weather still going on out in the western part of the country. And the wildfires are just going crazy out there, And then, I don't know what to tell you guys. It's summer out there in the west. There's no relief coming, You know, it's just hot and dry, and you get these fools that start creating wildfires. You know, it just floors me sometimes. All right, Sunday, severe weather out here. Uh, Rain starts to break out along the eastern seaboard, starts to creep its way northward on Sunday, and then Monday, more severe weather going on across the southern plain states. Rain along the eastern seaboard. Again, everything's starting to creep north, but hasn't really gelled yet. So watch what happens. We get to Tuesday. You get a storm that kind of comes. The trough is like this now. There's your trough. There's a storm heading up in the Great Lakes. Now you got a lot of rain coming up and thunderstorms heading up into the northeast. Still, New England's still dry, but you know some of these areas that had a lot of rain, you're going to get the rains coming back in on Tuesday into Wednesday. Wednesday's a wet day for a lot of folks. This is some heavy rain in there as well. And then by Thursday, things kind of quiet down a little bit, but there's still a lot of rain going on. This is, high out here is kind of pushing things, pushing that tropical air back into the eastern part of the country. Heat's going to be on out west into the plain states. It's going to get hot. And that heat is eventually going to come eastward. And, it's going to feel horrible outside. Yeah, there's going to be some days that are going to get up in the 90s. Again, before this rain comes in, it might be hot in the big cities. With all this humidity around, it's just going to feel horrible. Tropics, like I said, tropics will start to see some stuff here. I would start watching the eastern seaboard in a few weeks, maybe as early as next weekend. But anyway, I would just start watching the tropics. Things are going to start to heat up, and we'll have to watch closely our eastern seaboard and the Gulf of Mexico as well for tropical problems. It's coming. Tropical season's coming. I just hope we don't get a system that comes in and, all this sogginess here and just brings heavy rain back in. I just hope that doesn't happen. All right, enough for the gift of gab. I'm meteorologist Henry Marcus City.